CPA grip tutorial for beginners, how to do CPA affiliate marketing. Hello guys, welcome back to Softwares Made Easy. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use CPA grip for yourself and how you can do cost per action affiliate marketing on CPA grip. So how to get started and what are some features that you know about this specific platform. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So first of all, I have opened cpagrip.com for myself on my web browser, and this is how the profile looks. Here you can see they say experience performance marketing with industry-leading monetization tools. You have a content locker, you have a URL and file locker, you have a video locker, offer walls, and virtual currency. You can become a publisher or you can become an advertiser. It's completely up to you. Both ways you can make money. Then you have your full support of staff, dedicated payments team, go global directly, fast payments, and best tools and technology. So this is going to be publisher dashboard and advanced analytics engine. You can analyze what's going on, your statistical reviews and everything. You'll go up here, and this is an amazing tool, and here are some publisher testimonials from here. So what you need to do first is you're just going to click on this option right here which says register. It's a beginner tutorial. Okay, so if you are new, if you don't have the previous account, then you need to click on register and you will come up here and you need to register yourself and become a new member for CPA Grip. So what you need to add is basically your first name, your last name, your company. It is not a necessary field. Then your website, it is also not a necessary field. Your street address, your country, your city, your state and region, your phone number, your Skype, and then you have your publisher type, then you have your email address, password, confirm your password, choose a time zone for yourself, and then you have to agree to all the terms and services right here. Let me just add these details and I will get back to you guys. Okay, so after registering myself successfully, I have come onto the dashboard of CPA Grip. Now here you can see these are the public chats. In here there are people talking in real time and they are basically telling people the ways that they have made money. Like Ataturk has earned $55.80 all time with 43 leads. This is a system talking, and then you have your Shufu boy Ataturk, congrats, you reach your first payment, and there are people talking in real time. You can just come here and see there are all the users right here. You can also find your own friends in here and you can join the chat and you can chat with them whenever you want. Then you have a statistical stats overview, the views that you have, the clicks, the leads, the revenue, and EPC and conversions. I have 0 right now because I don't have anything that I have done on this right now. Then you have your hourly stat which is going to show up here, and then you have your accounts notice. So this is basically your email address has not been verified and your tax documents are not currently on file. So you have to basically go on and update all these things. So to continue this platform effectively, then you have a payment notice, no payment method selected. You need to add a payment method for yourself so that you'll be able to get paid whenever you make some amount of money. Then you have your account manager right here. This is John Wilson, senior account manager. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions and everything. You can just, if you have any question or any query, you can just go on and ask your account manager. Then you have your offers. So these are basically the offers on CPA Grip, and these are the ones that you complete to basically get money. Like for example, this is an offer which says complete your registration and the payout is $21.39. I'm just going to click on this offer, and as you can see, this has enter your information now to get started. Okay, so I cannot access this offer right now because I have to basically verify my email address. But what you will get is basically you are going to get a link right here. When you copy that link, you're going to paste it in the new tab, and after that you are going to open a website like this one. Then you need to add in your information there. You need to complete the registration form, and after you're done completed, you'll be get this money. You get $21.39. The graph activity for 1 week on this ad is basically 0 clicks, 0 leads, 0 revenue, and 0 this. You can close this offer, you can go on to the next offer, and you can disable this offer as well, and it won't show you again. So now what you have here is you can just go on to your offer tools and you can click on my offers, and you can see what are the offers that are made for you. Like for example, my country, my region is in Pakistan, so the offers that are made in Pakistan will definitely show right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change my region to, for example, US, so that I can show you everything that is in English and it is, more understandable. So I just changed my country to US, and now I have installed the NextDoor app. This is a mobile type. You can get your type right here. You have a category right here, like this is a mobile application, and then you have to install that application. application. This is a mobile install. Then you have a title description like install the NextDoor app. Then you have your payout is basically $0.54. Then the sort is basically default order that offer will appear in tools. So higher number performs better. So you need to see that the sort is going to be, if there is a higher number of sort, then it is going to perform better. Then you have your my performance, like the performance that you have performed on this offer will appear here. If you completed the task, then it is going to say 100%. Then you have your net profit, everyone else's performance network wide on this offer. So what are the people performing on this offer? Like it is 19% right now. Then net CR, average network wide conversion rate, clicks and leads, it is 5.72%. Then you have your net EPC, earning per click, revenue clicks, and this is the $0.077 are the earnings on per click, and then this was added on September 21, 2022. So this is basically the whole dashboard of offers for you. You can just go on, click on any offer. For example, if I click on this offer, it's going to open up, and I can just go on, copy the link of this app from here, which is not kind of available for me right now, but you can just copy that, you can install that app, and you'll be able to get $0.54. It is that easy, guys. Then you have your RSS offer feed, then you have your SON offer feed, and CSV offer expert. You have your postback tools, your referral program. So the referral program is basically for you to refer a friend. When you refer a friend, you are going to make a little bit of their whatever they made from CPA Grip, you're going to get a little bit profit out of that as well. For example, from a referral link, you are going to receive 5% commissions on all earnings that your friends generate for life. For example, if your friend generates $100, you're going to get the 5% from that $100 just automatically without doing any work. So you're going to refer a friend. What you need to do is you're just going to copy this link, and you're going to ask your friends to use that link when they sign up on CPA Grip. You can just go on, and also what you can do to promote your CPA Grip as well is basically you can just go on to different platforms. For example, you have your YouTube, you have your Twitter, you have your other social media. People are using that a lot these days. So what you can do is you can create posts about CPA Grip, and then you can add your referral link into the bottom of that, and whenever a person is going to open that link, and whenever a person is going to sign up using that link, you're going to basically make 5% of whatever they earn. So this is a very easy way to make money without even doing anything for yourself. So you can just go on and add these type of links. You can also make offers on CPA Grip. This is a very good way to promote your offers. You can go on and join different Discord groups. You can just go on and join different Twitter groups and Facebook groups. Then you can add in your offers, your links right there. You can also add unlikable content. If you have some kind of logged content, if you want people to access that content only if they download this specific thing, then you can add that as well, and people will definitely do that because you haven't provided the whole of it. Like for example, if you have provided one post and the continuation of that post is not provided, and that is only provided when they open that unlockable content, then you can also they are more likely to go into that because people tend to be curious about what they haven't seen and what is not provided to them. So you can just go on and add these type of things on. You can just promote your links like that, and you can also add your referral link to these kind of posts, and you'll be able to get more money in no time, and you'll be able to get started with CPA Grip. So this was all about today's video, and this was the whole about CPA Grip platform in a very beginner friendly mode. You have basically a lot of things on CPA Grip. You can go into them one by one and check them for yourself, but it is very easy to use. I assure you it's very user friendly, so you won't have any problem with that. So that's it, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any query, just comment it down in the comment section below, and I will try to get back to you guys. And until the next video, I'll see you guys. Take good care of yourself, and bye bye.